Assalamualaikum and greeting to all of you. My name is Wan Muhammad Azim bin Warosli and we are from Group 7. For our group assignment, we choose solid waste topic. Did you know that Malaysia produces about 37,890 tons of waste per day with at least 1.17 kilogram generated per individual? The number is estimated to continue to increase as the population grows, and more worryingly, it will contribute to the saturation of landfill nationwide. In general terms, solid waste can be defined as a garbage, refuse, sludges, and other discarded solid materials that are resulting from residential activities as well as industrial or commercial operation. Each of these activities will generate different type of waste that will require specialized treatment. There are three types of solid waste that generate in Malaysia, namely hazardous waste such as medical waste, second is industrial waste such as oil, and the third is municipal waste, which consists of paper, food waste, and plastic waste.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nazura binti Azman. Today I will discuss about the issue of solid waste in Malaysia. My main issue today is about used oil. An average of 75% of the community does not know how to handle used oil, and they take the easy way out by dumping it in ditches or rivers to detriment of the environment. In Malaysia, the problem of used oil disposal is getting increasingly prevalent over time. This is the result of irresponsible human behavior, mostly as a result of the industry purposeful dumping of spent oil in an illegal locations. Furthermore, many people are either unconcerned or unaware of how to properly dispose the used oil. The improper disposal of used oil has the potential to harm the environment. As much as feasible must be recovered and recycled. If we can't handle used oil properly, it can give an effect on ozone depletions and global warming emissions from the untreated used oil fuel that contain significantly higher level of zinc, lead, copper, and cadmium. Heavy metal that can threaten both human health and the environment. Used motor oil and the toxin it carries can harm humans, plants, animals, fish, and shellfish if improperly disposed of and released into the environment. There are a few solutions that we can do is by pouring the used motor oil to an empty oil container and recycle it at a used oil facility near us. Check with the facility to see if your oil filter and oily rags are accepted. Many municipal facilities accept used oil such as transportations, waste management centers, and landfill sites. Instead of discharging your used oil, take it to a service or retail location where it can be recycled. Used motor oil, transmission fluids, hydrochloric fluids, and gears oil can all be recycled. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Muhammad Azim bin Warosli. So now I'm gonna explain to you guys about hazardous medical waste. Hazardous waste can be consist of any solid, liquid, or contain gaseous material that is no longer being used and thrown away. There are 4 hazardous waste characteristics, which is ignitability, corrosivity, reactivity, and toxicity. And today, we're gonna focusing in chemical and medicine type that is hazardous. Many people grew up in a household where it was customary to toss all prescription in the trash, leave them laying around the house, or flush them down to the toilet or sink. However, these practices can have serious repercussions. This is the cause if we dispose it in improper way. Improper disposal can lead to drugs leaching into the water system. According to the University of Illinois, this chemical can be traced back to drugs such as antibiotics, steroid medication, painkillers, and more. These chemicals not only have potential to harm humans, they are also threaten marine ecosystem. Studies have shown that these prescription byproducts are causing change in the behavior, reproduction, and growth of many species, especially fish and frogs. Not only that, it can lead to accidental poisoning. A good or expired pills that may be colorful and look like candy can especially present a poisoning threat to young children. Each year, more than 60,000 kids aged 5 and under unintentionally take a medicine or overdose on it. So this is the proper way to dispose hazardous medical waste at your home, whether it's solid or liquid. First one, you can mix all the unused drug with coffee ground or cat litter, dirt, or another undesirable substance. Do this with a bulk liquid medication or pills or capsule. Place this mixture in a sealed container before disposing in the trash. And for the empty medicine container, you can put it on the recycling or trash. And then the second one, talk to your local pharmacist if you have any questions. As medication expert, pharmacists are available to guide you on how to properly dispose your unused medication.
Paper is one of the most important things ever created by human society because it contributes significantly to later technological advance. In the process of making paper, wood is the most critical raw material. An estimated 24 trees make 1 ton of standard office paper. According to data from the Global Forest Resource Assessment, about 80,000 to 160,000 trees are cut down daily worldwide, with a large percentage being used in the paper industry. If more trees that are cut down means there will be more forests that will be sacrificed. Can you imagine the effect when the forests are cut down? Many wild animals will lose habitat, world temperature will rise, soil erosion and flash flood will occur. We need to find a way to save our earth. Trees are the source of oxygen that humans need. Without them, we would not be able to breathe fresh air. Therefore, we need to cultivate the practice of planting trees as one of the ways to save the environment. In addition, we need to avoid wasteful culture. For example, old newspaper and old books can be recycled. Small action can have a big impact.
I'm Dayang Hafsha binti Amir. Issue of food waste that has been served but not eaten, hurting the environment. Most food waste are generated from household. In fact, issue burying the food waste will end up creating a harmful greenhouse gas that's called methane, which can cause global warming. So, in order to avoid the mass production of methane gas, we need to reduce the number of food waste in the landfill.
Than that, you must shop efficiently, which is don't overbuy. Buy only what you need and what you will use. With this action, it may help reducing food waste and the number at the bottom of the grocery bills.
Hi, my name is Sangeeta Anapurupan Kumaran, and today I'm going to talk about plastic waste. The major problem of plastic waste is people nowadays are likes to have single-use plastic or disposal plastic where they only use it for once, either before they are thrown away or being recycled. Single-use plastics are consisted of plastic bags, water bottles, food packaging, straws, and so on. The action of using single-use plastics will not only affect the animals and marine life, but it will also give a great impact towards humans as well. As we know, single-use plastic would not be biodegradable. Instead, it will break into smaller particles, which we name it as microplastics. These microplastics will release toxic chemicals. So, when animals or marine life eat those plastics by thinking it's their food, they will end up by choking or fatally ill due to the toxins that they ate. Besides animals, humans also are affected by the plastic pollution. It is because animals or sea life are eating plastics, while people eat those animals, which means they are eating plastic as well. And finally, it will lead to the negative health outcomes such as cancer, cardiovascular disease, birth defects, and other ailments. So the solution for this problem is people must reduce the single-use plastics. They can switch the plastic water bottles with reusable water bottles. Other than that, they can use reusable bags instead of using plastic bags. And the last one is they can avoid themselves from using straws while order the drinks. By doing so, we can save our sustainability as well as our environment from the plastic waste. To conclude, solid waste can cause many problems towards our environment, so we must take an initiative to reduce it. The best action that we can ever take is by managing the solid waste disposal in a proper way. Let's stop producing the waste. That's all from us. Thank you very much.
environment together. Treat the earth to be carried by future generations. I'm Muhammad Azimi Warasli. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.